Hello everyone. Today we will be studying variance analysis. So let us see the meaning of variance analysis. So variance analysis refers to the investigation of the reasons for the deviations in the financial performance from the standards set by an organization in its budget. It helps the management to keep control on its operational performance. So just think about the business. Okay, in business sometimes we will get profit and sometimes we will incur losses, right? So what might be the main reasons? Either there will be a decrease in the sales, right? Either there will be a decrease in the sales so that you will incur losses, or your cost is increased. Okay, the production cost is increased, then also you will be incurring the losses. So we will be finding what is the deviations. Okay, you can think like this also. If I take the example of the college, okay, think that in the costing subject, out of 150, you are expecting 149. You are expecting 149, but actually how much you got? You got only 140. You got 140. Now what is the difference here? What is the difference here? Difference is 9 marks, right? So this is called the deviation. Either deviations may be in the positive or it may be in the negative. Okay, if the deviation in the positive, then it is denoted by F. F means it is a favorable. Okay, if it is negative, negative means it is adverse. Adverse means it is A. Okay, if it is positive, favorable. If it is negative, it is denoted by A. This is example of the marks I told. Okay, but in reality, why there is a differences that we have to see. See here types of variances. One is in the costing we have learnt already the material, labor, overheads, right? So in the costing we have learned. So in the material also there will be variances when we purchase the goods. Okay, in the labor when we make the payment also there might be a changes, and in the overhead also there might be a changes. That is in the expenses which we assume and whatever the expenses actually happen. So there is a differences in the sales also. Okay, we will be thinking this is our target, but exactly your sales might be reduced, right? Sometimes your sales might be more also. Got it? So this is called as variances. These are the reasons. Sorry, these are the types of the variances. So from the exam point of view, we will be studying the material variances. This will be coming for the section B. First, let us see under material how many types of variances are there. Okay, so material cost variances, material price variances, material usage variances, material mix variances, material yield variances. So if you see this particular chart, see material cost variances. How can we find the material cost variances? If you add the material price and material usage, okay, same answer you should get, that is material cost variances. Material mix variances and yield variances, it is equal to the material usage variances. So let us see the formula for each category of the variances. So first one is material cost variances. The difference between the standard cost of direct material and the actual cost of direct material that an organization uses for production is known as material cost variances. See students, I have told you, whatever we think no. For example, I thought that I'll be getting 149 in the costing. This is the standard, got it? This is the standard. But actually how much I got, that will be the actual. So remember, in the when you saw the material sums also, there will be a standard and there will be the actual, got it? The difference between the standard cost and actual cost. Okay, the difference between standard cost and the actual cost is called as material cost variances. Now if I ask you how to find the cost of the product, how to find the cost of the product, how you will find? There will be quantity, right? There will be quantity, how much you are going to buy, and what will be the price, right? Quantity into price will be the cost now. Quantity into price will be the cost. So there will be a standard cost and the actual cost. So how to find the standard cost? You can see in this particular, I have mentioned here in the bracket, the standard cost. Standard cost means what? Standard quantity of actual output into standard price. You can think standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. So when you multiply it, after that you should deduct the actual cost. Got it? Standard cost anta helidre standard quantity into standard price. If you multiply, you will get the standard cost. Okay. Then actual cost. How to get the actual cost? Actual quantity into actual price. If you multiply this, you will get the actual cost. The difference of this is called as material cost variances. I hope it is clear to you. We'll move to the next variances, that is material price variances. So there will be a price, no? So standard price is there. Okay, actual price is there. Right, standard price, actual price will be there. The material price variances is the difference between the standard price and actual price for the actual quantity of the material used in the production. So see the formula here. Okay, whenever it comes to material price variances, that is material price variance is equal to standard price. Okay, it will come price here, standard price minus actual price into actual quantity. Remember, here you have to multiply with the actual quantity. The difference of the price. See, this is called as variance. No, variation in the price. Got it? That is standard price minus actual price into actual quantity is called as material price variances. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Let us move to the next variances, that is material usage variances. So remember, usage, whenever it comes to usage, it is a quantity used. Got it? Usage anta baruvaga remember the quantity. Okay. Material usage variances is the difference between the standard quantity specified for actual production and the actual quantity used at the standard price. Okay, see the formula here. Material usage variance is equal to standard quantity. Okay, usage anta baruvaga remember the quantity. Standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price. So this will be the material usage variance. I hope it is clear to you. Right. Now see this particular question, students. The standard cost of a material for manufacturing a unit of a particular product PEE is estimated as follows. 16 kg of raw material at rupee 1 per kg. Okay, this is what the material which is required. That is the standard. Okay, standard quantity is given. First you mention here which are the information they have given. Standard quantity is 16. Okay, then standard price. Price is given rupees 1 per kg. That is standard price. On completion of the unit, it was found that 20 kg of material costing rupees 1.50 per kg has been consumed. It means actually how much we have incurred, that is 20 kg. Actual quantity is 20. Then actual price is 1.50. Okay, we have to find all the variances. So let us find material cost variances. So material cost variance is equal to standard quantity into standard price. It's also called as what? Standard cost. Now, difference between standard cost and actual cost is the material cost variances. So how to find the standard cost? Standard cost is equal to standard quantity into standard price. Okay. Then what about the actual cost? Actual quantity into actual price. Okay, that will be the material cost variances. Remember, whenever you get the negative answer, you are denoted by A. A means adverse. Then, material price variances. How to find the material price variances? The difference of the standard price and the actual price. Standard price minus actual price into actual quantity, that will be the material price variances. If you get the negative answer, denoted by A. If it is positive, denoted by F. F means favorable. Then material usage variances. So usage variances, I told you, remember always the quantity. Got it? So standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price. The variation in the quantity will be known as material usage variances. See, after finishing all this, there will be a verification. Okay, verification to check whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, that is material cost variance is equal to material price variances plus material usage variances. So you should get tally here. So I hope it is clear to you. If you have the doubts, you can ask. So this is the format, students. I just wrote all the formulas here. Okay, mention the output. Okay, then material. There will be, for example, if it is 3 materials, then mention it A, B, C like that. Quantity, that is standard. Okay, standard quantity you mention here. Then mention the standard price. Then find the cost. How to find the cost? Quantity into price. So you will be getting the cost. What about the actual? Also same thing. Right, mention the quantity, mention the price and the multiply. That will be the quantity into price will be the cost. Okay. Now see this particular question. The following particulars are regarding the standard and actual production of product Z. The standard quantity of material per unit 5 kg. Okay, for 1 unit it is 5 kg. Standard price is standard price per kg it is rupees 5. Okay, actual number of units produced 400. Okay, then actual quantity of material used 2200 kg. Price of material rupees 4.80 per kg. First, let us see what is the solution here. First, you need to mention standard quantity. Okay, standard quantity, but whatever information starting they have given, it is related to 1 unit, right? It means material required to produce 1 unit, it is 5 kg. Got it? To produce 1 unit, material required is 5 kg. But actual number of unit produced are much? 400, right? It means we should think to produce the 400 units. See, I mentioned here, to produce the 400 units, how much kg of raw material required? Okay, do the cross multiplication here. I'll repeat. For 1 unit, you require 5 kg of material. For 400 units, how much you require? Got it? So, 400 into 5, this will be 2000. So, 2000 will be the standard quantity. I hope it is clear to you how you got 2000. And what about the standard price? Remember, standard price, it will be per unit only or per kg. So, here they have mentioned this standard price per kg is 5 rupees. So, standard price will be 5. Actual quantity of material used 2200. Okay, standard we already got the answer, that is 2000 kg. And what about the actual quantity? Actual quantity which is given in the question, that is 2200. I hope it is clear to you. And what about the standard price? Actual price. Actual price is 4.80. Okay, I have mentioned here everything. That is standard quantity 2000 and standard price is 5. Find the standard cost, that is you will get 10,000. Actual quantity 2200. Actual price is 4.80. Find the cost, that is 10,560. That is multiplication. Then you apply the formula, that is material cost variances, material price variances, material usage variances. So remember, to find the material cost, the difference of the standard cost minus actual cost, that will be the material cost variances. What about the material price variances? The difference of the standard price minus actual price into actual quantity, that will be the material price variances. Next one is material usage variances. So how to find the usage? Whenever I told you if it is usage, remember the quantity. That is standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price. I hope it is clear to you. Remember, if it is positive, mention it as F, that is favorable. If it is negative, that is A. A means adverse. I hope it is clear to you. If you have the doubts, kindly do ask. Thank you.